This video shows you how to use the new Teams feature of Allies Bench. Many of you had requested the possibility of adding teams in addition to individual developers on the bench. If you open My Teams, you will now see two menu items, Members and Teams. Let's start with Members. Much of it remains the same. You can add new team members and assign them to the bench. What's new is this section here. You can now assign them to any of the teams that you have created. Now, let's look at teams and how to create them. To create the new team, click here, or if you'd like to edit one, click here. Editing is useful if you'd like to, for example, change, add, remove team members, add new completed projects, or new skills to a project. To assign the team to the bench, you can do it from here, straight from the Edit view, or you can do it directly from the Teams view. For example, let's make the QA team available for business. What this has done is assigning the team on bench, as you can see from here. So what's in it for you, you may ask? Companies that are purchasing IT services through Allies will now, with much less hassle, be able to know your core competence. Other Allies partners will know the problems that your company could potentially solve for them. For us, as the Allies team, we are now putting lots of effort into reaching IT services buyers. It allows us to communicate your value prop much more concisely than before. Your team is what sets you apart from others, so use it wisely. If you have any questions or suggestions for improvement, we'd love to hear from you.